Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we make the necessary changes to the widget. So let's get started. For making the changes in the widget, we'll have to go to the edit option of the chart and then we'll go to the settings option. And before I start, I would like to say that the widget settings are same for all the chart patterns. Now here we'll go to widget refresh properties and select the time we would like to keep for the refreshing of widget. So refresh widget, you can select a specific time over here in this option. Then we have widget box shadow properties. Now box shadow means, like in this box, you'll be able to see once I enable this box shadow option, you'll be able to see a border around the chart like this. And then you can box shadow horizontal means that the horizontal border you can make different changes over here in this option. And box shadow vertical means this vertical you can make the necessary changes by selecting this option. Box shadow color means that you can change the color as per your own convenience. And box shadow blur, like if you increase it, you'll be able to see that the box shadow becomes more and more blur, and if you decrease it, the box shadow, the blur quality will reduce. Then box shadow spread, how much do you want the spread to be, like this. And if you don't want the spread much, you can reduce it. Then we have widget border properties. Now if I enable this border type, what type of border do you want? Do you want solid, dashed? Like solid, here I want solid one, so you can see the solid one appears like this. Then if I select groove appears like this. Initial appears like this. So you can select the widget border as per your own convenience, whatever you want. And then you border radius also, you can make necessary changes. Border color, you can make changes over here in the border color option. Border radius, you can make changes by selecting the top left radius. You can increase it or decrease it here in this option. Top right radius, you can make changes over here in this option. Then bottom left radius and bottom right radius. Then we have widget icon properties. Now widget icon properties, like I have enabled the hide icon in preview. If I deselect this, like I'll be able to see these are the widget icons. And if we want to make the changes to these widget icons, we will have to go to the widget icon properties and change their color, whatever color we would like the widget icon to be. Or we can also change the menu icon color. Here I have selected a green one. You can select any color, and then we can see what changes. We can just save and exit, and then we can see I have given red color to the widget icon and the widget icon has become red. Okay. And about the menu icon, now the menu icon is this one, these ones. So if you want to change the color or any changes you want to make to the menu icon, you can make to them also in the same option, that is settings option. Then we have widget internal area properties. Now in the widget we have internal area padding. Now this gap, this space is there, so you can make the changes to this space as well, whether you want it to be a larger one, whether you want it to be less one. So you can make the changes by in this particular area here. Then you have background properties, like the background of the widget you can change. Like if I, for example, change the, see the panel background has changed now as I chose the red color. Then widget background color, now you can just maximize the color if you want to. Same here also, widget background color. Widget background color is basically the widget that we see over here, their background color. And the panel background color is this one. This is the difference between the widget background color and the panel background color. Now, if you want, you can also add a background image. You can choose among the various images given over here, and you can choose an image also. Then we have title properties. Now, you want to give a particular title to this widget. So, enable now show title. Now, what is the alignment of the title you would like to be? Right or center? See, this is the title. And you can change the title color over here. You can change the title font size, font style, font family. Like font family, you can keep Arial. So you will be able to see that the font family has changed now. Then you can keep the background color as transparent, or you can change it also as per your own convenience. Then the padding, as I already mentioned, the padding means the area which is empty around the title. You can make changes to that area as well. Then if you want subtitle also you can use here. If you want to give any particular subtitle, and you can make the necessary changes to the subtitle by these various options. Then filter properties are also there. If you want to use this filter in this particular chart, you can use over here. Then dashboard preview options are there, whether you would like to view it in desktop, in tablet, in mobile. You have various previewing options available. Then if you want to give an extra label, you can also over here, you have an option of giving an extra label to the widget. So these are some of the changes that you can do in a widget in AIV in the dashboard. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked my today's video, you can like, subscribe and comment in the section below. Or if you have any specific questions, you can write us at AIV support@aiv.com, or you can also visit our website, that's www.aivhub.com. Thank you.